We at Lomanco know the importance of a proper ventilation system, not only on top of your home with roof and attic ventilation, but also underneath in one of the most neglected areas of your home, the crawl space. Many homeowners, along with builders, contractors, and other professionals, want a product that provides air movement in underventilated crawl spaces. One that is easily installed in both new and existing construction. This is the PCV1, Lomanco's powered crawl space vent. Nobody likes to crawl around in a crawl space. That could be the reason many homeowners do not realize they have a problem until it's too late. Without a properly functioning crawl space ventilation system, you can invite some very unwanted problems into your home. Problems like excess moisture, which leads to rot and insects such as termites and wood-borne beetles, mildew, and mold. Many factors contribute to crawl space problems besides being underventilated. While Lomanco's powered crawl space vent will not prevent water from getting into your crawl space, it will help evaporate any moisture already inside. Both new and existing construction will benefit from the unique features of Lomanco's powered crawl space vent. The PCV1 is designed to be easily installed behind any new or existing crawl space vent. No special tools are required for installation. The 120-volt fan is controlled by a dehumidistat, which will activate the fan if the humidity levels rise above the user set point. The fan also has a built-in thermostat, which will shut off the fan if the temperature is below 40 degrees. Each PCV1 provides 110 cubic feet per minute of airflow. Tests of the PCV1 at Lomanco's Engineering Testing and Research Facility have shown that the PCV1 is capable of removing substantial amounts of moisture from a crawl space based upon outside humidity levels. The PCV1 is designed to remove moisture slowly. This helps prevent warping and twisting that can occur from drying a space too quickly. National codes require 1 square foot of free area in the foundation for every 150 square feet of crawl space area. Of course, local codes and ground vapor barriers can affect your specific requirements. Most homes do not meet the criteria. The Lomanco powered crawl space vent will assist with the air movement in an underventilated home by providing 110 cubic feet per minute of airflow. To aid in natural crawl space ventilation, mechanical ventilation should exchange the crawl space air at least 4 times an hour. That's every 15 minutes. To determine your crawl space needs, multiply the square footage of the crawl space by the height to calculate the cubic feet. Then divide by 15 to determine the airflow CFM needed. For example, if your home has a 1,500 square foot crawl space and the average height is 2 feet, you would multiply the 1,500 square feet times the 2-foot height. This gives a total of 3,000 cubic feet in your crawl space. Divide the 3,000 cubic feet by 15 minutes and you get a total of 200 cubic feet per minute of airflow needed to exchange the crawl space air every 15 minutes, 4 times an hour. Since each PCV1 moves 110 cubic feet per minute, you would install 2 units. Whether new or existing construction, incorporating the PCV1 helps prevent termites, mildew, rot, and mold from becoming problems in your home's crawl space. The PCV1 decreases high humidity levels and increases the overall airflow within your home's crawl space. Enjoy these benefits now by upgrading your home's crawl space with Lomanco's PCV1 powered crawl space vent.